to Lit Life PD. I'm going to be giving you another tip to work with your child. So you can see that I'm in the kitchen right now and I have lots of things out here. I'm sure that you're doing the same thing at home. You're probably reorganizing your home, and that's what we're doing here. And I was thinking of a way to include my child, if I had one, with this activity. And today we're going to work on something called syllabication. And syllabication is a complicated and big word to talk about syllables. And one of the things that our readers need to be able to do before they can even start reading is hearing syllables. And so oftentimes we use syllabication for such simple things as your name. So my name is Vincent, so I might say Vincent. That's 2 syllables, right? If I said, for example, Jennifer, Jennifer, that's 3 syllables. Now, I have lots of products here, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sort out these products based on syllables. So watch me as I figure out what the syllables are. So imagine if your child is with you, you might want to hold the product up, ask him or her to say the word, and clap out the syllables at the same time, just like this. So here we go. Here's one right now. This is a bottle of vanilla. So I'm going to say vanilla, vanilla, vanilla. I clap 3 times, so that must mean that this vanilla, vanilla, is 3 syllables. So I'm going to make a little, here we go, find my marker here. I'm going to make a pile of things that might have 3 syllables. There's one right there. All right, here, let me pick up this kind of thing right here. This is coffee. There we go, coffee, coffee. How many times did I clap? That's right, I clapped twice. So I'm gonna maybe make a pile with just the number 2, so I know, I'm gonna put that here so you can see it, what things are. So here we go, how about this? Oops, this is pasta, pasta, right? Pasta. How many times did I clap? Twice. So I can put this in the pile here. I'm gonna keep on going, and just to kind of, I guess, get my child with me to help me out, first of all, and also understand that words are made up of syllables. Let's do one more here. These are nuts, nuts, nuts. Oh, nuts. I only clapped once, so let's make a pile for the items that have 1 syllable. So nuts is 1 syllable. What's another thing here? Let's look here. Oh, here's flour, flour. We know it goes to 2. So did you see what I just did there? I took some household items in my kitchen. I worked on syllabication with my loved ones. So again, a syllabication is the breaking up of the word, right? So to help our kids become stronger readers, really ensure that your child understands that words are made up of syllables. So that's your tip for today. I hope things are going really well. We'll see each other soon. Take care, everyone. Have a good day.